How to remove blackheads using sugar. Healthy human skin constantly sheds dry, dead skin cells so that the dead cells can be replaced with new healthy cells, says Princeton University Health Services. Problems arise when the dead cells combine with oil from overactive sebaceous glands, clogging the pores and causing the development of blackheads. A gentle sugar scrub can exfoliate the skin as it clears the pores. See a physician if your blackheads become more severe. Ingredients you need: a half cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup olive oil or sesame oil, a small mixing bowl, gentle soap, a soft towel and oil-free moisturizer. How to apply. Step 1. Place a half cup brown sugar in a small mixing bowl. Stir in 1/4 cup olive oil or sesame oil. Step 2. Wash your face with warm water and a gentle soap formulated for your skin type. Avoid hot water and harsh cleansers, which can irritate the skin and cause production of more oil. Step 3. Massage the sugar scrub into your skin using gentle, circular motions for at least a minute. Concentrate on problems areas: the forehead, chin and cheeks. Step 4. Rinse the sugar scrub from your skin with tepid water and then pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Apply an oil-free moisturizer to your skin to replace the loss of healthy oils. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.